Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we are going to go over AI-driven side hustles. Make $500 in 24 hours with zero investment. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over identifying profitable opportunities, step-by-step guide to making $500, and common pitfalls to avoid. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Introduction, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-driven side hustles and exploring how you can potentially make $500 in just 24 hours. Sounds intriguing, right? In this video, we'll uncover various innovative strategies that leverage artificial intelligence to help you generate quick earnings without any upfront investment. We'll discuss practical methods that anyone can implement, regardless of their tech savviness. From utilizing AI tools for freelance gigs to automating online businesses, the possibilities are endless. The excitement lies in the challenge of achieving financial gains with zero investment, and we're here to guide you through it step by step. Imagine waking up tomorrow with an extra $500 in your pocket, all thanks to the power of AI. We'll share real-life examples and tips that can kickstart your journey toward financial freedom. So, if you're ready to explore how AI can transform your side hustle game, stick around. Let's get started and unlock the potential of making money in record time. Understanding AI-driven side hustles. AI-driven side hustles are innovative income-generating opportunities that utilize artificial intelligence technologies to streamline processes and enhance productivity. In today's digital economy, these hustles are becoming increasingly relevant as they allow individuals to tap into the power of AI for quick and efficient earnings. One of the key advantages of using AI tools is their ability to automate tasks that would typically require significant time and effort. This means you can focus on scaling your income rather than getting bogged down in tedious work. For instance, AI-powered platforms can help you create content, manage social media accounts, or even analyze market trends, all while saving you precious hours. Several successful AI-driven side hustles require minimal to no investment. For example, freelance writing using AI writing assistants can help you produce high-quality content quickly. Similarly, dropshipping businesses can leverage AI for inventory management and customer service, allowing you to run a store without upfront costs. By embracing these AI-driven opportunities, you can unlock the potential for rapid income generation in a fast-paced world. Identifying profitable opportunities. Identifying lucrative AI-driven side hustle opportunities starts with thorough research. One effective tip is to explore trending AI tools and platforms that are gaining traction in the market. Websites like Product Hunt or TechCrunch can provide insights into the latest innovations, helping you stay ahead of the curve. Additionally, consider diving into niche markets where AI can solve specific problems or create value. For instance, industries like healthcare, education, and e-commerce are ripe for AI applications. By pinpointing a niche that aligns with your interests and skills, you can carve out a profitable side hustle. Several specific AI tools and platforms can facilitate quick earnings. For example, Jasper is an AI writing assistant that helps you create engaging content in minutes, making it perfect for freelance writing gigs. Another option is Canva, which now incorporates AI features for graphic design, allowing you to offer design services without extensive training. Lastly, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for AI-related services, enabling you to monetize your skills effectively. By leveraging these strategies, you can uncover profitable opportunities in the exciting realm of AI-driven side hustles. Step-by-step guide to making $500. Ready to make $500 in just 24 hours? Let's break down the process into manageable steps that you can easily follow. First, start by identifying a specific AI-driven side hustle that interests you, such as freelance writing or graphic design. Spend the first hour researching and selecting the right AI tools, like Jasper for writing or Canva for design. Next, allocate the next few hours to complete practical tasks. For instance, if you choose freelance writing, use AI tools to generate content ideas and draft articles quickly. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 pieces of content within this time frame. Time management is crucial, so set specific time blocks for each task. For example, dedicate 2 hours for research, 3 hours for content creation, and 1 hour for editing and finalizing your work. Finally, leverage platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to market your services and attract clients. By following this actionable plan and utilizing AI tools effectively, you can maximize your productivity and reach your financial goal within 24 hours. Get started and watch your earnings grow. Real-life success stories. Let's dive into some inspiring examples of individuals who have successfully made money using AI-driven side hustles. One standout story is that of Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who turned her passion for writing into a thriving freelance career. By utilizing AI writing tools like Jasper, she was able to produce high-quality articles quickly, allowing her to take on multiple clients and earn over $1,000 in her first month. Another remarkable example is Mike, a graphic designer who leveraged Canva's AI features to streamline his design process. By creating templates for social media posts and marketing materials, he was able to offer his services on platforms like Fiverr. Within weeks, he built a steady stream of clients and generated significant income while working part-time. These diverse success stories highlight the versatility of AI-driven side hustles. The common thread among these individuals is their strategic use of AI tools to enhance efficiency and productivity. By learning from their experiences and applying similar tactics, you too can carve out your own path to financial success. So, take inspiration from these stories and start your journey today. Common pitfalls to avoid. As you embark on your journey with AI-driven side hustles, it's essential to be aware of potential challenges and mistakes that could hinder your success. One common misconception is that AI tools will do all the work for you. While these tools can enhance efficiency, they still require your input, creativity, and effort to generate meaningful income. Staying focused is crucial in this fast-paced environment. To avoid distractions, set clear goals and create a structured schedule for your tasks. Designate specific time blocks for work and consider using productivity techniques like the Pomodoro technique to maintain your concentration. Additionally, be cautious of scams and unrealistic promises in the AI space. Many advertisements may claim you can make thousands overnight with minimal effort, which is often misleading. Always research opportunities thoroughly and seek out reputable platforms and tools. By being aware of these common pitfalls and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you can navigate the world of AI-driven side hustles more effectively and increase your chances of achieving your financial goals. Stay informed and vigilant, and you'll be well on your way to success. Conclusion: in today's video, we explored the exciting world of AI-driven side hustles and how you can potentially make $500 in just 24 hours. We discussed the importance of identifying profitable opportunities, utilizing effective AI tools, and following a step-by-step plan to achieve your financial goals. Remember, the key takeaways include researching trending tools, focusing on niche markets, and managing your time wisely to maximize productivity. Now that you have the knowledge and strategies at your fingertips, it's time to take action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might also benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to succeed. Don't forget to explore our related content on the channel or visit our website for further learning. We have plenty of resources to help you dive deeper into AI-driven side hustles and other money-making strategies. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next video as you embark on your journey to financial success. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.